today we are going to do the Beaker Creatures. Okay, now let's open it. I see it.
Do you want to describe what it is first? Let's do that, okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This Beaker Creature has 10 pieces.
Yeah, it does have 10
it
pieces.
Has 2 Beaker Creatures die. And maybe they can be our favorite. And then after we are going to describe them. And that's really fun. We're going to see what they are. That's going to be super fun. Maybe more.
So we've got Beaker Creatures. This is the Magnification Chamber. There's different sets. This is made by Learning Resources and it's recommended for ages 5+. Luca is correct in saying this is a 10-piece set. It's got 2 Beaker Creatures inside, so they're kind of like bath bombs. And we will dissolve them to see what creature we got. It's a surprise. And then we have to identify the creature, so some of them are more rare than others. Okay, let's see what else is on here. Let's check the back. So this is a cute little chamber. We haven't opened it yet, of course, so we know what it looks like. But it looks like there's also some experiments. So you can make shooting stars, and you can make a bubbling volcano. That's going to be so cool. I can't wait to see you do this.
Yeah.
All right, and here are the creatures it looks like. There's different categories. There's astrolites, frostonians, which look like they're all chilled. There's oceanites, bugites, and minisaurs.
What are these ones?
Little dinosaurs. Yeah.
There is a few pieces.
So what does it look like? Oh, that's one of the Beaker Creatures. Oh look, there's another little egg up there. You got a pink one and a purple one.
See, there's a cool one. This is like, I wonder how we can put them in, but somehow you can. And there's at the top you can screw it off maybe. Oh,
Can you take this off?
Here's
You're
one.
busy.
And here's one. Can't wait to do it.
So our kit came with the purple and red eggs, as we showed you, or the bath bombs. And we also got these sheets of information. One is on the Minisaurs, and there's a little Minisaurs card that has all the Minisaurs character that you can potentially get. And then there are the Frostonians.
Yep.
And the Frostonian cards. So seems like, I mean, I would guess that these are the 2 characters that we got.
Yeah, and now let's put some more.
We're gonna add water. So there's a little bit of information that comes with our kit. It says when you extract the Beaker Creature, there's a chemical reaction that happens. And this is the reaction between acids and bases. It reacts to make foam bubbles that are called carbon dioxide, which is the same gas that we breathe out when we exhale. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So this is gonna be carbon dioxide that's gonna make all the bubbles happen. So you ready for bubbles?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some water. You wanna add some water? Nice and gentle. Go for it. Oh, keep going. Just pour. You wanna cover them. Good job. Wow. Hey, there's your capsule. Let's see what you got.
Okay, now we got a yellow guy. Oh.
Oh, what's his name, Luca?
Flurry.
Flurry?
Flurry.
Flurry, Flurry. And look at this. Is this a monster hand?
Yeah.
It's like purple.
I know.
Your hand's purple.
I know.
How come?
Okay, now we're opening the pink one.
Walter.
Yep. Fizzle.
Oh, that one's fizzing.
Boink. It looks like a yellow dragon.
That's supposed to be a Minisaur, is it?
What?
A Minisaur?
A Minisaur?
Oh, what's this new guy? What's he?
This new
Did you find him on your card?
Oh,
Swoop.
Swoop.
Yeah. Looks like a T-Rex. It's got big teeth.
This guy
Does it say?
Swoop.
Swoop. It's cute. Are you recording your observations?
How many horns?
How many horns? 3.
And what color is he?
Purple and a little bit freeze blue.
Okay, purple and freeze blue. Okay. Good job. Captured all your information.
All your observations, neat.
Put that there.
2.
Okay, you want Daddy to write it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your Minosaur, and what's his name?
Soup.
Swoop.
Swoop.
Yeah. How many feet does Swoop have?
2.
Okay.
2.
How many tails?
0.
Okay. How many eyes?
2.
Okay.
Close together.
They're close together. Okay. And what color is he?
Blue and a little bit purple.
Okay. Now can you circle Swoop on your card? Your creature card? Good job. Let's show Mama the creature card first.
Cool, Swoop. Nice.
Okay, can you put that there? Yeah, you can put it there. That's it. Now, let's get this.
Out.
Right. So we'll put Swoop on the second one. Put Swoop here, Swoop, so it's close to the card. And put Flurry on the bottom, so it's close to the card when you put it in there. There. Now can you put that in? Awesome. Now you better put this on though, just in case you don't want them flying out at you while you're investigating things. Okay, now you can use your magnifying glass and you can see them up close.
This guy looks big. Let's see these. They look big.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, eh?
Can I see them through the magnifying glass? Oh, wow. Flurry's got a big eyeball.
So what'd you think of your Beaker creatures?
Whoa!
You like them? Who's your favorite, Swoop or Flurry?
I think both.
Both? Okay, fair enough.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.